Now what we need is a bottle of Harpic Power Plus toilet cleaner, disinfectant spray or bath wipes, a toilet brush, gloves and a microfiber cloth or an e-cloth. Now before we begin, always wear gloves when cleaning with Harpic Power Plus due to the chemicals. Lift in the toilet seat and direct the nozzle under the rim. Now squeeze and apply the solution slowly around the toilet bowl, allowing enough of the liquid to cover the entire bowl. Now we not only want to clean, but we also want to disinfect the toilet bowl. So we're going to leave for 1 hour, allowing the disinfectant to do its work. Now while we wait, we can start cleaning the outside of the toilet and the rest of the bathroom. Once the 1 hour's up, proceed to brush all around the toilet, then flush. The result leaves your toilet thoroughly disinfected, smelling clean and looking shiny, and with regular use will prevent the build-up of limescale. Now before we move on to the final step, don't forget to give this video a like. I like to include a cistern block to my toilet, and if your cistern is concealed, you can still add a rim block to the rim of the toilet. Now all you need to do is just drop one block into your cistern, now at the opposite end of the water inlet. You don't need to take off the wrap, just leave it, that will dissolve, and allow for about 20 minutes for the block to settle before flushing, and replace when the blue starts to fade. Does your bathroom lead to family arguments within your home? And who's the culprit? Let me know in the comments section below. And for more videos like this one, check out the video coming up next on how to clean your toilet brush and holder.